So you guys might be confused on why I'm even making this video, because can't you already make a game for an iMac? But since I'm going to be making this game on an old iMac, there's going to be some hardware limitations. Anyways, first we need to acquire the actual computer, so let's go. Anyways, meet 2006 iMac G5. So I gave it a small cleaning and here it is. I didn't get the original keyboard and mouse cause yeah. So I will be using this random USB keyboard and mouse. But for $20 this wasn't a bad computer. Anyways, let's make this game first. So my idea for this game is to make a game where you're an iMac and you're going around trying to avoid Windows computers that get in your way. Anyways, the enemies spawn when you click space, and the more you press it, the harder it is. Anyways, let's start making this game in Unity. I made this very basic movement, and then I added some enemies which randomly spawn in when you press space. So then I tested this out on the Mac. I'm testing this out just to see if the Mac can handle this before I add in animations and textures. And it doesn't work. So apparently the way the game is built is too new for the system, and after some further research I found out in order for it to work I would have to upgrade to macOS High Sierra, which is a bit too new for the system. But anyways, I watched some Tom and Jerry and I kinda fell asleep. Anyways, now it's the next morning and I have a new idea. So you know how I'm making this game from Windows? Yeah, scratch all that. I'm making this from Mac now. Yeah. So basically I'm going to be using Unity 3.2 and okay, that's interesting. Anyways, in the end I found an archive on an archive website. And here it is on the Mac and wow, it's working! Anyways, keeping it real, unfortunately I couldn't get the game to run. But anyways, if you guys want me to make part 2 to this, I surely will. Anyways, if your Mac or Windows computer is slightly better than this one, you might just be able to play this game. So anyways, if you want to download another game, here you go. Anyways, subscribe, like, comment, and bye.